Second year students, last time we discussed formula number 1 for the very chapter direct and reported speech. Today we are going to discuss formula number 2 for the very chapter direct and reported speech. So write down, if reporting verb is in present tense or future time, there will be no change. There will be no change in the tense of the reported speech. Okay. So this is formula number 2. If reporting verb is in present tense or future time, there will be no change in the tense of the reported speech. In Odia, I can say, jodi reporting verb present tense किंबा future time रे थाए, तेबे reported speech रो tense रो कौन सी परिवर्तन हेबो नाही. Okay, एटा ला formula number 2. One example for this very formula. The prince says, there is no jewel in my crown because I have provided none. Okay. So in this very example, reporting verb is says. It is in present tense, present simple. There is no jewel in my crown. So this is in present simple. So according to formula number 2, what will be answer? Let us see. Answer is, so this very sentence is in direct speech or DS. So when we change it into RS or reported speech or indirect speech, whatever you say, the answer will be, the prince says that, the prince says that there is no jewel in his crown because he has provided none. He has provided none. Okay. So mark the answer. So in direct speech, reporting verb is in present simple, and according to formula number 2, there will be no change in the tense of the reported speech when reporting verb is in present simple. Followed. So if we apply this formula, what will be the answer? The answer is, the prince says that, okay, there is no jewel in his crown, in my crown. So my is changed into his. Pronoun changed into his crown because I have provided none. I have provided none is changed into he has provided none. Okay. So my point is, we are telling the very speech of the prince. Okay. So when we speak the speech of the prince, we should change some pronouns. Okay. So this is the order, and answer is very simple. The prince says that there is no jewel in his crown because he has provided none. So it is present perfect, it is also present perfect. Only change is for I, he is there, and for my, he is there. Okay. So imagine yourself how it is changed, how direct speech is changed into reported speech or indirect speech according to formula number 2. Followed? Pile बुझो तो एटा अति सहज हम जो तुम फॉर्मूला बुझिकी एग्जांपल टाक सॉल्व कर ताले सॉल्व अति सहज हो जिवो हम परवर्ती समय पुणी आलोचना करबा एबे मो फॉर्मूला 3 को आसी लास्ट फॉर्मूला नंबर 3 टेबल टाइम फॉलो करबा फॉर्मूला नंबर 3 नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू द टेबल सपोज दिस इज डीएस डायरेक्ट स्पीच and this is RS reported speech or indirect speech. So if this is here for direct speech, it will be that for reported speech, this is that. So these will be those here, there, hither. This is old English. Hither, ethare, here, dhidhar, old English. Hither, dhidhar. So now will be then. Today will be changed into that day. Today that day. Yesterday will be changed into the previous day. The last day or the day before. And tomorrow will be changed into the next day, the coming day, or the following day. Okay. So again I can give you another example for this third formula or table formula, that is thus. So it will be so. Thus will be so. Students ओडिया बुझ दस हूँ एनु सो हूँ तेनु प्राय ओडिया सब बुझुब बेस ओडिया कहूनी बुझुची कि हिधरटा केवल हिधर हूँ एठारे एटा ओल्ड इंग्लिश एवं हियर हूँ मॉडर्न इंग्लिश धीधर हूँ सेठारे माने देयर. So this is the very table which is also known as formula number 3. Imagine yourself how we discussed 3 formulas one by one for changing a sentence into reported speech, from direct speech to reported speech. Okay. So at the end of formula 3 I can give you another example. So can you tell me this example is based upon which formula and how it will be changed according to grammatical rule or grammatical order? Question is the servant said the cow died last night. The cow died last night. So students, this sentence is in which speech? It is in direct speech or DS. So what will be RS? Can you tell? RS will be, mind it, here in this very sentence reporting verb is said. It is in past tense. And the reported speech is in past simple PS and said is the past past tense. So this very sentence will be answered according to formula number 1. Okay, formula number 1. So if we apply formula number 1, the answer will be, RS will be, the servant said that the cow had died. The cow had died the previous night or last night. Previous night. Okay. So how it is possible? You may be in doubt. I am going to clear your doubt. So reporting verb is in past tense, said is past tense, reported speech is past simple, and the past simple will be changed into past perfect. That is our formula 1. So the cow died last night, answer will be the cow had died the previous night. Past simple is changed into past perfect. Forward. So this is a very simple thing. If you remember the formula, you can answer all the questions. Now I am going to some sections of this very chapter one by one. First, order or command. So how order or command section is changed into reported speech? Let us see. Order or command. ओडिया बुझ पार पहले आदेश. Question number 1. DS, that speech. The judge said call the first witness. Call the first witness. So students, this sentence is in direct speech. The judge said call the first witness. Said is here repeating verb, RV repeating verb, call the first witness reported speech. Reported speech. And it is reporting verb. RV means reporting verb. So reporting verb is in past tense, said. Call the first witness. So can you tell me, you might have read this chapter in your matriculation career, I think. Call the first witness happens to be the imperative mode. You know imperative mode? Mood in Odia, the term mood is a manasik avastha. Imperative mode it is generally divided into two parts. Okay? It is called the first witness is known as imperative mode. Write down imperative mode. Imperative mode is generally divided into two parts. Number 1, order. Number 2, advice. So here our sentence is purely based upon order, not advice. The judge gives order or command in the court because he is the authority. So his authoritarian view is defined here inside the court. Okay. So my point is the judge said call the first witness. पहले witness बुझ पर जोड़िया रे साक्षी काले असुविधा होतबो बुझिबार witness ओडिया होचे साक्षी. जज कहले जे प्रथम साक्षी डाक विचार चलची जज कहले प्रथम साक्षी डाक एटा हम चेंज करबा एटा डायरेक्ट स्पीच रहछि म तो देखैली एटा इंपेरेटिव मूड माने जज कर मानसिक अवस्था कोन अछि ना से ऑर्डर दोछन कमांड दोछन बुझ पाछ पहले माने ता अर्थ से टेबल पिटी कहउछन ऑर्डर ऑर्डर. ओके. So now I am going to change the sentence into RS, reported speech. What will be answer? The answer will be the judge commanded or added, you have write one. The judge commanded or ordered to tell the first witness. Understand? So students, it is a very important thing. You should know one thing, that is to call. What is it, to call? In voice change chapter, I told you to call is known as to plus infinitive. Try to recall your past memory. To call. To call, here it is known as to plus infinitive. I am going to clear everything to you. Okay? 2 plus infinitive. 2 plus infinitive is equal to 2 plus verb 1. For example, 2 plus go is equal to 2 go. 2 plus write is equal to 2 write. Followed? Students, it is known as 2 plus infinitive. Very important. 2 plus infinitive. Okay? So, to call means 2 plus infinitive. You know, in Odia, if you want the meaning, infinitive शब्द अर्थ हूँ ओडिया रे अनिर्दिष्ट, नॉन निर्दिष्ट, अनिर्दिष्ट. टू गो, सपोज आई हैव टू गो, मोर जीवार अच्छी केतले जीव गोटे पर्टिकुलर टाइम ना. आई हैव टू ईट माय लंच, मु केतले लंच खाइबे गोटे पर्टिकुलर टाइम ना. जेहेतु ये निर्दिष्टता किसी ना तार ना इनफिनिटिव. 2 प्लस इनफिनिटिव. 2 प्लस वर्ब 1. गोटे वर्ब 3टा फॉर्म अच्छी, 1 2 3. प्रेजेंट, पास्ट, पास्ट पार्टिसिपल. सो वी शुड फॉलो 2 प्लस वर्ब 1 ओनली फॉर इनफिनिटिव पर्पस. If you change 2 plus verb 2 or 2 plus verb 3, it will be totally wrong. It will be defective. Mind it. So 2 plus verb 1 is equal to 2 plus infinitive. For example, 2 plus go is equal to go. 2 plus write is equal to write. 2 plus do is equal to do. 2 plus jump is equal to jump, etc. तमने जिते इंग्लिश ग्रामर रे verb अच्छी तार verb 1 से तो 2 को जब हमें कनेक्ट करबा जो करबा ताले डासो 2 plus infinitive. Followed? ताले आंसर आउ थे कह दउची, द जज कमांडेड और ऑर्डर टू कॉल द फर्स्ट विटनेस. बहुत पिलांकर धारणा थिबो जे सर आपण तो फॉर्मूला 1 अनुसार आंसर कले. फॉर्मूला 1 तो रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब पास्ट टेंस अछि, रिपोर्टेड स्पीच रे काहे टेंस रे परिवर्तन कले नाही. होत पिला क्वेश्चन करते मोर अनुभूति में जा जानि छी पिले एठी चेंज हेबार आवश्यकता नाही, बिकॉज़ एटा होची इंपेरेटिव मोड अछि. जेहेतु हमें कमांड ता ऑर्डर ताकू पास्ट टेंस कले, एठी पास्ट टेंस हे जाई छी. वेरी इंपोर्टेंट. commanded or ordered, it is in past tense. So there is no chance to change the reported speech here in past tense. If you change into past tense, answer will be totally wrong. Mind it? Answer will be totally wrong. So the judge commanded or ordered to call the first witness. It is the very example for order or command. So next section, now I am going to, that is advice. Okay, it is also one part of imperative mode. After order or command, come to advice. So student, it is advice, you know, advice ADVIC and ADVISC. Can you tell me the very difference? Some students face problem to identify advice C, advice, advice AC. So you know, advice it is noun and advice it is verb. You can frame sentences according to noun and according to verb. Okay. So for your better understanding, I can clear it that I am going to frame one sentence for advice, it's noun, and another sentence for advice, it's verb. Okay. First noun. Students should follow the advice of their elders. Okay, students should follow the advice of their elders. So here I have online advice, see, it is noun, not verb. And second thing I am going to give you, that is a sentence for advice, it's verb. The teacher advised the students to work hard for good result, to work hard for good result. Okay, so these are two examples for advice, noun, and second for advice, verb. It is in past simple, sentence is purely in past simple, and it is advice, noun sentence. Okay, so these things should be clear before you because of the gravity of the words. Now I am going to give you one example for advice section. I am going to end the class. In next class I will give you different types of structures for direct speech and reported speech. Thank you very much for today.